When your finance team loses access to critical reports right before a board meeting, it's not just a technical hiccup, it's a business problem with real consequences. Many organizations treat IT strategy as something to tackle after the next urgent issue, but that approach leaves you scrambling when it matters most. As Joel Hartman, IT systems engineer at MC Services, puts it, clarity in your IT strategy means you know exactly what to prioritize when the pressure is on. A clear IT strategy isn't about paperwork, it's about making smart decisions before chaos hits. It leads to faster decision-making, reduced downtime, and clearer accountability. With only 41% of IT teams feeling connected to business goals, a well-defined strategy closes that gap and drives shared outcomes. Teams align early, handovers become seamless, and audit prep turns into routine, not a last-minute fire drill. Building your plan with a practical IT strategy template sets the foundation. You define vision and objectives, spot risks before they escalate, allocate resources to real priorities, and keep everyone aligned with a solid communication plan. The result is boosted team alignment, faster project delivery, and resilient operations that withstand unexpected outages. Operational maturity isn't about perfection. It's about knowing your next best move and making work easier for everyone. By assessing your current state, setting measurable goals, prioritizing initiatives, allocating resources, and monitoring progress, you turn strategy into daily improvement. If you're tired of firefighting and ready to see real business results, read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.